Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix borrow or loan option not showing on Cash App. So guys, if you are Cash App user and you are facing the issue that borrow option not showing, I'll help you how can you get this option on your Cash App. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you need to open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this you need to go back. So guys, now you need to open your app store, and after opening your app store, here you need to search Cash App, and guys you need to check that you are using latest version of Cash App or not. So guys, if your app is not updated, you need to update your app from here, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem and still not showing borrow, then guys you need to open your Cash App, and guys you need to click on your main profile icon. From here you need to verify your identity, and after verifying your identity your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, then you need to apply the third method. The third method is you have to scroll it down, click on support, and guys now you need to wait for some seconds. So guys, as you can see, and you need to scroll it below and click on chat, and guys you need to chat with Cash App support team. You have to tell your problem that Cash App borrow option not showing or loan option not showing, and they will review your appeal and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.